My name is Jake. I am a Collision endorsed artist. I've been playing for around, how long would it be? About 6 or 7 years now, maybe 8 years actually. Yeah, probably about 8 years. So I've been playing for 8 years. I currently play for two main bands. I play for the Memos, formerly known as Aaron Spencer and the Memos, and I also play for Nobody's Secret, the band who I'm going to be doing the song for today. So I play predominantly with the 7AR sticks. I really enjoy the extended range, and I think the 7s anyway. I play with 7As anyway because of their lightness on the cymbals, because I like to, when I like to experiment with the sounds of the cymbal, but more so the 7ARs, because of the way that I play, it gives me a whole larger range of motion in my playing. It really extends how I can play. I like the durability of these sticks. I think these are the first sticks that I got with Collision way back when. These are still the same sticks. Granted, they're a bit battered, but they're still surviving. They're still function for a rehearsal. So I play with these. But then also what I enjoy is the transparency between myself and the company. The fact that I can, if I have an issue with the sticks, I can just go drop them a message and I'll get a response. It's brilliant. So the song I'm going to be playing is a song called Over Me. It's Nobody's Secret's most recent single release, actually our debut single. It was recorded earlier this year, was released in October. So yeah, I'm going to be playing for you today, and if you like what you see, check out Nobody's Secret. We're on Spotify, Instagram, and everything else.
Don't tell me what I can't do. Don't tell me who I can't see. Don't need to tell me twice that you're not meant for me. Don't ask me if I can stay or prison now that I'm free. Don't need to tell me twice that you're not over me. Fairy tales are only make believe. Time will tell that your love's not meant for me. Tell me twice that you don't care for me. Don't tell me how I should feel. Each tear never falls you. Don't need to open wounds that your love cannot heal. Yeah.